Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel, Elite Mobile Cleaning. I am Nevin Hattle and I'm the owner of Elite Mobile Cleaning. It's an owner operated business. We provide cleaning services in and around the northeast of England. We provide jet wash cleaning, carpet cleaning, car valets, domestic cleaning, whatever it is you need, algae or moss removal, anything at all, we'll come and we'll clean it. We'll do a professional job using industrial equipment. Well, this is my channel, so please like, subscribe and comment and turn on notifications if you like what you see. I'll be uploading regularly with different jobs and different cleaning that I'll be doing. It is a brand new established company, only opened in January 2020. Fresh start and see how it goes. But yeah, thank you for tuning in and please enjoy. Hello and welcome to Elite Mobile Cleaning. Today we're cleaning this mattress, and as you can see it's quite heavily soiled. Stains all over. First thing to do is to hoover it off, and then we're going to pre-treat it, and then we're going to do some hot water extraction, and you should see it should come up like new. So we'll start with the hoovering. I'll be back. And then stage all done. Sorry about my hand there. Now we're going to move on to the pre-treatment stage, where we spray it with enzyme cleaner, help dissolve these stains, get this looking fresh again. So we're using Karcher industrial cleaner, Puzzi today. So we'll switch it on. Silly me. Hello guys, now I have it all connected. You can laugh at my mistakes, it's absolutely fine with me. So now we're connected properly, we're going to start the pre-treat when we have some power. Right, so just so we spray all the solution on the stain here. Just begin to work straight away, realistically. So you can see that there guys, we are getting solution. Right, let's go from here. Sorry guys, I'm doing this with one hand and trying to record with the other. Okay. Hey guys and girls, right, we had an issue, bit of a blockage, but now look, we're firing on all cylinders, guys. So let's get back and you can see that now. Right, yes, a lot better. New ones having issues, gets blocked up sometimes. You know, getting nice and wet. Don't be afraid, people. Literally, water is your friend. Comes to cleaning, or solution is your friend. We'll let this work in. It's gonna go up and down, getting that as wet as possible. Paying close attention to the stains. Get it right wet, as much as possible. Time, we don't need to rush it. Right in the edges, because this is where all the germs fester in here. This will eradicate bed bugs, dust mites, stains off the mattress. Whoopsie, got it on the floor a little bit. Move around. Right guys, that's the pre-treatment done. I'm going to agitate that next, and then we are going to hot water extraction. As we can see, people, right in front of your eyes, the stain is already disappearing with an enzyme pre-treatment. It's eating all of them proteins and getting rid of all of that stuck in grime dirt. Just eating away at it. So I'll leave that for 10-15, agitate that in, get it up. Should be like new, smelling fresh. So now we'll have an upholstery brush and we just get right in the groove. Go both ways for most effectiveness. Look at that already, look at that, look at the difference. Right, there's the stain edge. On the camera, but you can see it lifting the dirt already. Work that stain. Agitate that. Really working this. Bit. I'm doing it one-handed, no tripod. Set up right. See them stains just disappear in front of your eyes, guys. Right in front of your eyes. Elite Mobile Cleaning doesn't tell no lies, you know. Oh, what? I'm going to pause this here, guys, because you don't want to see me scrubbing the whole mattress. So now we move on to the hot water extraction. We start from this end. So give it a bit more of a spray, it's still a bit dirty, you know. But you can see that, guys, look at that white compared to that. See the difference? White, black. So yeah, I'm gonna crack on with this, I'll come back. Hey. I wanted to try and keep this video as short as possible, so I'll pause it a bit. But if you can see, I've done this section here and this section here, and you can clearly see the difference. Absolutely fantastic. Not finished yet, but we'll get this bit area all cleaned and then we'll see how we're looking. Maybe tackle some of the tougher stains a little bit more with a brush, some carpet. I'll be back. still wet, so once it dries it's going to come up even lighter. And this is Elite Cleaning Services.